Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob. This simple task requires just a few items. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 3-volt battery. It is always best to confirm the battery type by checking your current one or your owner's manual. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With gentle pressure, twist the screwdriver to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards into the slot. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.